today we will study about the perimeter and area of a figure. First we have to know what is the perimeter. The perimeter is the boundary of a plane closed figure. Perimeter is the boundary of a plane closed figure. Okay. We will find the perimeter and area of a plane closed figure. Let us take this figure. Okay. And we have to find the perimeter of this figure. First I will name the sides. This is side AB, BC, CD and DA side. This figure is quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral having 4 sides. Quadrilateral having 4 sides. And the perimeter is the boundary of this figure. This is the side AB. When we will find the perimeter of this figure, we have to find the length of this side AB, BC, CD and DA. That means perimeter is the sum of the length of all sides. Okay, and this is a plane closed figure because its starting and ending point is same. Okay, let us start from the point A. When we start from A, we reach A to B. The length cover is AB plus B to C is BC plus C to D is CD plus D to A is DA. Okay, this is the perimeter of this figure. Okay, and suppose in this figure all sides are equal. If all sides are equal, then we can say that AB is equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. And this figure, if all sides are equal, then we can put AB equals AB in place of BC. We can put AB in place of BC because BC is equals to AB. Also we can say that CD is also equals to AB. So we can put AB in place of CD and AB in place of DA. When we add all these sides AB, 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 that is it. 4 times of AB. 4 times of AB. Now AB is the side of the figure. AB is the side of the figure, and this is equals to 4 multiply side. Now we get the formula to find the perimeter of a figure having all sides are equal. And then tell me what is the name of that figure whose all sides are equal? Square. That means this formula is for the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. This is the perimeter of a square. Because in a square all sides are equal. With the help of this formula, we will find the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. We can also find the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, in a rectangle, all sides are equal or not? All sides are equal or not? And only opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides equal. So, suppose this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle P, Q, R, S. We have to find the perimeter of this rectangle, right? We have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. The perimeter is the sum of the all sides. Sum of the length of the all sides. Okay, we will start with P. We will start from P. PTQ, P to Q. This is side PQ. This is side QR. And this is side RS and side SP. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. That means side PQ is equals to SR and side QR is equals to SP. So we can say that in place of SR, PQ plus QR plus PQ because SR is equals to PQ, and in place of SP we can put QR. Now we will add the same sides. PQ plus PQ is 2 times of both sides. 2 common here, that we have PQ plus QR. That means the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times of sides, 2 times of side PQ plus QR. If we say that side PQ is length, side PQ is length and side QR is breadth, side QR is breadth, then we have perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times of, we can say that PQ as length, 2 times of length plus breadth, 2 times of length plus breadth. Okay. This is the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay. After finding the perimeter, we have to find the area. We have to find the area of that figure. So what is the area? Area is the region bounded within the figure. This is the region that is bounded within the figure. Area is the region bounded within the figure. वो रीजन है जो उस फिगर के अंदर का है, उसका हमें क्या निकालना है? एरिया, राइट? So in area we have 2 dimensions. This is the length and this is the breadth. In area we have 2 dimensions. That means area of a rectangle is length multiply breadth. And if we say that length and breadth both are same, if length and breadth both are same, that means that figure is square. Length and breadth are same, that figure is square. Length and breadth is same, that means area is length multiply length, or we can say that breadth multiply breadth, or we can say that side multiply side. If we multiply length with length, if we multiply 2 alphabets, 2 numbers, yeah, any 2 similar quantity, what we will get? Square. We will get the square. That means power is added. Length square, breadth square, and side square. Okay. These are the formula to find the area of a rectangle and area of a square.